What's good, YouTube? It is your boy Zay Times back with a new video. It's been a minute, but we back. Had to get some things in line, but guess what? We are here. Look, if you're a subscriber, thanks for sticking with me. If you're new, go ahead and follow me, man. We're talking about tech, shoes, fashion, all of that under my channel. As you can tell by the description, we're going to be going over this brand new iPad Pro that I picked up, 2021 edition, 512 gigs. Just so much, man. We got the box right here. Yo, let's go ahead and unbox it, see what we're working with. So I know usually people have that top-down view, but I want you to see the reactions, you know. Well, I'm just saying that because I don't have any equipment to put over top of my head, but let's just act like this is the view that we want to see. So, you know, man, I hope everyone is doing well. Everyone is doing good, man. You know, and I'm really hyped for this purchase. So I have a MacBook Pro, 2016 edition, 256 gigs, not enough space for me. I'm gonna have to pull up a list of all the software that I have on my computer just so you can get a feel. If you are like me, maybe 250 gigs, you know, 256 is not really what you want. Mess around with a bunch of different apps. Sometimes I could be in Logic, I could be in Final Cut, I could be in Adobe. Maybe I want to play a game, which I probably would do on this tablet. I mean, I might as well. YouTube, of course, that's something that takes up space. But just a lot of things that takes up space. Don't even mention music. Here's the iPad, man. Look at that thing, man. That's clean. This is the 512 gigabyte. This is the 5th generation, 2021, that just released. I picked this up with my carrier, so not only do I have it for, you know, Wi-Fi, but I'm able to use my plan and able to use this in places where I do not have access to Wi-Fi. A couple of things that come inside of this box. You have the iPad Pro, of course. If they didn't, you know, we might have to fight. Have the USB-C charging cable and the USB-C power adapter. So let's go ahead and unbox this real quick. So we got a pull tab right here. Satisfying. That's satisfying. Like, how many of you all are like, I don't know, just straight Apple people? I feel like I have a lot of Apple products, like more than I should. Like, let's count. Okay, you have the MacBook Pro. I have a work MacBook Pro, Apple Card, AirPods, Apple Watch, this. It just keeps going. It's more than 10. Y'all not gonna judge me. But yo, let's go ahead and unbox this real quick. So of course, with Apple boxes, you're gonna have that, you know, that little shake. That little shake you gotta give in order to get the stuff out. But bam. So, ooh, look at this, man. So we have it right here. We're gonna peel this. Actually, we're gonna pull it out. I don't know, I haven't touched the iPad in a minute, but it just feels amazing. Let's take this off. Ooh, this nice silver, man. I got fingerprints on it already. So here we are right here. It feels so good in your hand, it's so thin. It almost feels like a phone. This tablet right here is gonna be the works. In case you don't know, this silver is not the same silver that you're gonna find on your phone. It's not the same backing. I don't know why I thought that, don't mind me, but it's not. But this right here is powerful, man. It has that new M1 chip, so this is gonna be fast. Battery's gonna be great. You have the Liquid Retina XDR display, which is gonna be brilliant. There's no even worries about that. 12 megapixel camera, and it's going to feature center stage, which is pretty much going to be like following you around, kind of panning you around in order for you to be in the center of the screen when you're doing those calls. The 512 gigs, this right here is going to be amazing. There's a lot of accessories you're going to get with this. First thing I did was I definitely got me a tempered glass screen protector that I'm going to put up here. It's worth it. I use it on my phones, so it's only right that I use it on this tablet. So we're not just going to sit here and do nothing. We're just going to go ahead and power it on. So right now, I'm holding onto this top button at the top. You know, you can see this nice screen. I already got fingerprints on it, but we're gonna get that off real quick. But I'm very, very excited for this display, man. And I really like it because it's following along with the iPhones, how you have that full display. And of course it's telling me hello. Go ahead and swipe up, English, US, and it's gonna have the ability to, quick start. Set that manually. I'm gonna go ahead and connect to my Wi-Fi real quick. You can see in the background of the different colors. Camera's crazy. Camera's wild. That's not bad, man, for a tablet. Front-facing camera. No, that was a lot. But the camera looks really good. I'm not even gonna lie to you. No, I'm not really taking selfies, but pretty much, if you have Apple products like iPhones, you're gonna get real easy with this, real comfortable. I never had this angle before. Oh yeah, I'm taking pics, don't judge me. So that right there was my unboxing of the iPad Pro 12.9 inch, 512 gigs in a nice silver color. I hope you all enjoyed the unboxing. I'll definitely keep up to date with different things that I'm getting, different cases, different accessories. So let y'all know how these accessories really are. Is it really worth it or not? But again, go ahead and subscribe to this channel, like this video up, and I'll see you again. Peace out.